Hey, it's me from Currys, and today we're going to be checking out the top 3 features of the Hoover HWash 500 washing machine. You can create a virtual wardrobe with the Scan to Care. It's got the companion H-On app and the Power Care system. So we're going to head over to the lab now to check out these brilliant features in a little bit more detail. Okay, so we are in the lab now and we've got the Hoover washing machine all set up and ready to go. And the brilliant thing about this Hoover washing machine is that it really cares for your clothes. So you've got that Scan to Care feature on the H-On companion app, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to use. I'm going to show you how to add a piece of clothing. So we're going to scan the label, take a picture of the item. Doesn't have to be an amazing photo, it's just for your own benefit. Press save. That is then going to instantly tell you your suggested cycle. Really detailed, lovely for you, and we can go back to our virtual wardrobe. If I click the white sweater, we just scanned, along with the white trousers and this blouse here. Part of the same wash, so it's going to allow you to do that. Notice they're greyed out, so you can't choose them. So it's really nice and simple to, if you're a little bit nervous about getting the wrong temperature, doing the wrong items, this makes it nice and easy. So we're going to press start now, and that is then going to use that cycle, and we just have all the details that we need. So it just makes the process really nice and easy, and in the long run, nice and quick. But that's not the end of the features on the H-On app. You've also got 40 additional cycles to choose from, so you can really fine-tune your cycles to suit your preference. You can also enjoy the mobile laundry controls, which gives you energy consumption reports, and it also gives you notifications when your cycle's finished. So you can actually just carry on your day-to-day without having to check on things manually. There's also no need to worry about overfilling the detergent drawer, as the clever Power Care system automatically creates the perfect mix of detergent and water in order to penetrate the fibres in the clothes and make sure your clothes are thoroughly cleaned. If you want to find out more info on the Hoover HWash 500 washing machine, you can visit us in store, online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.